Hi, welcome back to another video. Today we've got some Born Pretty goodies to have a nosy of and use. So first of all, I have got a rubber base coat. This is a pretty box, isn't it? They always come beautifully packaged. Obviously I have taken the wrappers off all of these, otherwise you'd have been here even longer. And it's actually got the instructions inside the box, which is quite good. Just having a look, see how long. It doesn't actually say in there. Doesn't say how long it's to be cured inside the box. No, it doesn't. I'll have to have a look on the website. Anyway, it is a 15ml bottle and it's in a matte black bottle. That's quite nice, that is, with the rose gold writing. So this should be quite thick. Yes, it is. Ooh. Doesn't drop from there. Normal, like gel polish smell. So your rubber base coat is a lot thicker than normal base coat. It's great for things like weak, brittle nails, cracked nails. Okay, nails as they grow. It's great for ones what become more brittle as they grow. So I like that. That's good. I've also got some Rhinestone glue, which is a 5g pot. Need some scissors. Must have forgotten to take this one off. So nice clear gel. I'm gonna leave the top on though. Sorry, sirens. I also chose a gel polish colour, which is BP53. Oh, that's nice. We'll have to swatch that in a second. I'll probably swatch that off camera quickly in a minute because I want to get a set done. So it's like a deep purple, but with sparkly bits in it. That's pretty, that is. Normal 10ml bottle. We like that. And then I also got these, which are extension nail gel. Now these could be used for multiple things. So 2 seconds, because I'm sure I wrote it down. Hang on a second. Right. I thought I'd got it, but I hadn't, so I've just looked for it. Anyway, I have got nude, which is, I have opened these ready. Sticky. Stuck to that piece of cardboard, but it is a non-sticky formula. Okay, so I've got me nude and milky white. So yeah, that's the two colours I got them in. There's 15ml in there, so there's quite a lot in each of these. I'm going to put the tops back on though, because I don't want anything curing under my light. So this can be used for extension on the nail, so we can use it how we used the other stuff that we got the other week, where you either put it under a form and push it on, or under a nail, which we will do as well today. You can use it as like a carving gel for 3D stuff. You can also apply chrome to it, and it will obviously come out nice and shiny. You can put flowers or glitter in it. You can actually put stuff in it and sort of like mix it up with your hand, and you can also use it to attach your rhinestones as well. So it's quite a good little product, and like I say, there's 15 mil in there, so there's quite a lot. But we will use these today, I think. I'm just going to swatch that gel polish quickly so you can have a look what colour it is. Okay, that is BP53. As you can see, it's got like a shimmer to it. Nice, pretty purple colour. Quite like it. Right, shall we crack on and do a set? I think we should. Okay, I'm going to just go to voiceover now, just for this set. We're going to go in with some base coat on these nails. So these are going to act as our nail bed. That's going to go in the lamp for 30 seconds. And then I'm going to use the nude, and we're just going to put a small ball of this in some full cover tips that I've pulled out to pop on these. So as I say, pop that ball of product towards the cuticle end, and then they're just going to go straight on that nail and just gently push down. And as you push down from cuticle to tip, you should push that product down the nail, which will obviously then attach those two nails, and we'll pop that in the lamp. I've done the middle finger off camera just to speed that up again. And then this one for the ring finger, we're just going to do like a full cover of that nude. So I've just put a slightly larger ball of product inside that full cover nail, and we're going to apply it in the same way, but obviously it will be a full cover one. I'm just going to make sure it's tucked right up at the edges as well, so it's all covered, and then that's gone in the lamp for 30 seconds. I've pulled out these stickers. They're just like gold scrolls, so they're just cheap stickers from AliExpress. I'm going to do this one as sort of like on a slant, so that will just be placed on the nail and trimmed around the edge roughly. I will use a file just to go around the edges to make sure they're quite flush once I've finished popping all the stickers on. Okay, this one is going to go on the little finger. I'm just going to sort of put it towards the end of that nail bed. Just cut off that bit and then give that a trim. And I've got a piece which I've cut a curved line at the top, which will act as a cuticle, and that's going to go on the full nail bed in nude on the ring finger. If you find stickers, same with decals, if they're sticking up slightly at the side or there's a crease because of the curve of the nail, you can always put a little cut down the side and just overlap it. So I've gone over those anyway and just made sure they're all pushed down properly, and then I'm just going to top coat over those three, and then I went up the side of them and on the free edge with my file just to make sure they're all sitting nice and flush. Obviously after it's cured. Okay, on the middle finger we are going to just buff that surface off with the rougher side of the buffer, just so that I can pop some base coat down. And then in the wet base coat I've pulled out a bag of glitter from Charlie's Nail Art, and it is in dark gold. And we're just going to tip that into that base coat, and then that will go in the lamp for 30 seconds and be brushed off. I've got a little bit of base coat on my palette, so we're just going to go along the edge of this sticker on the pointer, and we're going to do the same again. And then I'm going to do the same on the the little finger. But I did that off camera, so that's those two's done. Right, out of the milky white pot I've pulled out some of that product. I've just made it into small balls, so I'm just going to put sort of 3 petals down with my silicone tool. Those are going to go in the lamp to cure once that is in shape. So as you can see, you can use this product, as I said before, for 3D work. You can use it in moulds if you want to. So we're just going to put those other 2 in between and do those in the lamp to cure. So that bit's done. We're going to use the Rhinestone glue next, and we're just going to put some of those I don't know if they're gold or they're orange. I think they might be orange, but they suited the gold really well. They're just cheap plastic gems from AliExpress, but we've put some of those in the centre anyway, and then popped it in the lamp to cure. Right, onto the pointer. I've also pulled out some of the little plastic flowers that everybody has. So we're just going to pop some of those along next to that little bit of glitter. And I've also got a little gold butterfly, which I'm going to pop in that gap that I've left. I needed to put some more glue on though. Obviously hadn't put enough to grasp that and hold it. So they're going to go in the lamp to cure. I do caviar beads off camera. Right, that is the set finished. We're going to use the rubber base and the collar in a set later on in the week, but I've used the other 3 products today. If you want anything from Born Pretty, my code is always on the screen. I just want to say thank you to Born Pretty for sending these, Cynthia, and yeah, thank you for watching, guys. It's just a little quick sticker set. Yeah, like I say, if you want anything, help yourself to my code, and there's other codes in the description box always, what you can help yourself to. If you like my video, please leave me a thumbs up, that would be really helpful, and subscribe if you've not already. Happy to subscribe back to you, and I will see you next time. Okay, bye.